Hello, everybody. My name is Danielle, and today we will be going through how to calculate the lowest common multiple, or LCM, of three values. For today's activity, we have 20, 25, and 30. Now, there are three ways or methods that you can go about finding the LCM. This video today is going to focus on number 2, which is by the division method. So the first step will be dividing the numbers, which are 20, 25, and 30, by their prime factors. Preferably, these are common. The product of these divisors gives the LCM of 20, 25, and 30. So to start off with, I have posted the three values of interest on the top, and I have then created a second column here and given myself enough space for working there. So step 1 is to find the smallest prime number that is a factor of at least one of these numbers, 20, 25, and 30. We then write this prime number, which is number 2, on the left of the given numbers, like so, separated as per the ladder arrangement above here. So I will make all of these highlight. Ooh, we won't go that crazy with the highlight. Let's choose something a little bit more mellow. There we go. So there we have value 2. Then the second step. So if any of the given numbers of these three numbers is a multiple of 2, we divide it by 2 and write the quotient below it. Now we bring down any member that is not divisible by the prime number as is. So if we have 20 divided by 2, that equals 10. Can 25 go into 2? No, so we are going to stick that there as 25, and I'm going to pop that in red for you. Can 30 be divided by 2? Yes, 15. These are our new numbers. We then continue these steps until only ones are left in the last row. So what is the smallest prime number that is a factor of at least one of the numbers? Here we have again 2. What is 10 divided by 2? 5. What is 25 divided by 2? Again, we can't do that, keeping a whole number. So we have it as 25. What is 15 divided by 2? Again, we can't do that. So we keep 15 as is. Running down then to the next slide, the lowest value prime number, can any of these values be divided by 2? No, but we do have 3. Now, 5 divided by 3, not a chance. So we pop that there. 25 divided by 3 though, nope, again, not a chance. 15 divided by 3, ooh, 5, very nice. Then we go again. What value here? Now we're at the 5. So we have 5 divided by 5, that is 1. 25 divided by 5 is 5, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now these are those magic ones that we are looking for. What can we divide here? Lowest prime number? 5. The 1 gets carried down. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and the 1 gets carried down. We now have all 1s. This here means that we've finished the exercise. So we can now get rid of these extra bits. But we're not quite finished yet. So LCM, what's the answer? If you're doing it on Excel, fairly easy. You sum these back. Sorry, you don't sum. You multiply these values. You can tell I use the sum value far too often. So to find the LCM value, we need to multiply each of these cells together. Alternatively, you can do that with a calculator, and we have the value of 300. Therefore, the LCM is 300. And so that you can refer to that formula if you need to. So there you have it. I hope this has been helpful in explaining how to use the division method to find the lowest common multiple of 3 values.